So with the new windows installed in the existing building, we're on to the final stage of giving this a big facelift. So the final stage behind me is the Cladex guys that have done the exterior plastering. They've got a couple more coats to go before they get onto the painting. Once it's completed, it's going to match and tie in with our new office. So the exterior of the existing building is currently being transformed as we speak, and it's been transformed away from this old stucco style look, which is just a little bit outdated.
The team at Cladex plastered straight over the existing structure, which instantly modernised the look and helped tie the old and new buildings together.
Along with the new aluminium joinery and windows that we put in, it did mean finding an extra 15,000 or so in our budget, which we didn't really have, but this was really important. You know, we've gone to all of this work. We wanted to make sure that from the moment you walk in, it just feels connected, it feels nice, and it looks great.
Accessibility was another major part of the planning. We previously had a ramp in place, but it didn't meet current compliance standards. Basically, it was too steep and too narrow. Working with James, our architect, we designed a new ramp that met all the requirements while still fitting naturally into the space. The end result was something that works properly and looks great. This outdoor space is one of my favourite parts of the entire build. The idea was to create an amphitheatre style space that connected both buildings and the connecting deck with the existing outdoor space. One thing that's always made the site special is the existing trees and green space, so we were keen to retain as much of it as possible. The trees definitely add character, provide shade, and give a really nice, calming feeling.
Thoughts on the new office?
It's great, I love it. It's beautiful.
New office is sick. It's gonna be good.
I'm not right. What's in that good? Oh, cute.
Now that everything's signed off and we're fully moved in, it is awesome to see the team in the new space using it as it was intended to and as it was designed to. Man, how good does that look?
The team's now settled into the new office, and the outdoor spaces are already getting plenty of use. This build has been a huge effort from a lot of people, and I'm really proud of what we've created here. It's a space that represents who we are as a business and supports how we work every day.
So this brings us to the final conclusion of the MoMac New Build Series. We've had an absolute blast bringing you guys along on the journey. A big thank you to everyone who has contributed or participated with this build. We absolutely love it. The team love it, our clients love it, I love it. Welcome to the new MoMac HQ.